All right, let's get right into it. Today, we're going to tear down one of the biggest walls in AI video creation, the cost. I'm going to show you exactly how to generate amazing, high-quality videos without spending a single penny. Let's dive in. So I'm sure you've seen this. It feels like every single week a new AI tool comes out, and they all seem to have one thing in common, right? A pretty hefty price tag. It's so easy to fall into the trap of thinking that if you want professional-looking results, you just have to open your wallet for expensive credits or monthly subscriptions. Well, today we are going to completely bust that myth. We've done the digging, we've sifted through all the noise to bring you the absolute best, totally free, and unlimited tools that you can start using this very second to make some incredible video content. Okay, let's start with what I call the core four. These are four super powerful and, you guessed it, completely free generators. Now, each one has its own unique superpower, and understanding what they're good at is the key to knowing which tool to grab for whatever project you're dreaming up.
So here's the quick and dirty breakdown. If you want to make characters talk, you're going to want Grok. For that all-around, do-it-all editing and animating, you'll use Meta AI. For just pure, unlimited text to video, QN is your go-to. And for those really cool cinematic camera moves, there's a specialized web tool. Now let's take a closer look at each one.
First up, we've got Grok from X. Now, you might know it as a chatbot, but its video platform is a whole other beast. Its absolute killer feature is its perfect lip sync and sound generation. You just type a phrase and boom, your character speaks. Plus, its little normal, fun, and spicy animation presets make it ridiculously fast for churning out social media content. Next up is Meta AI, which honestly, a lot of people consider the best free tool out there, period. Its real power is in its flexibility. You can generate an image, then you can edit it, like say, turn a regular person into a robot, or switch the whole thing to an anime style, and then you can animate it. It handles both horizontal and vertical video, lets you make clips longer, and even add music. It's a complete powerhouse. Now let's talk about Qwen. This is a project from Alibaba's research team, and it offers completely unlimited access. It's a pure text-to-video model, which means you're not going to be fiddling with a ton of complex settings. Its real power comes from your imagination and your ability to write. The more detailed and descriptive you make your prompt, the better your video is going to be. It's a fantastic choice if you just want to write and create. And finally, there's this lesser-known web tool that gives you true cinematic control. And the way it does this is so clever. It has two separate boxes for your prompt. In one, you describe what your subject is doing, and in the other, you describe what the camera is doing. So you can literally program pans, zooms, or epic fly-through shots. And on top of all that, it's unlimited, has zero watermarks, and lets you control the technical stuff like the file format and frame rate. Okay, those four tools are fantastic for sure, but what if I told you there's a secret way to get access to a tool that rivals, and some people would say even blows past, the top paid models in the entire industry? A tool that's not supposed to be free, but, well, it can be. Let's see how it's done. The tool is called CArt, and it comes from ByteDance. Yep, the company behind TikTok. While everyone else was hyping up other models, CArt was being quietly developed, and the quality is just staggering. The motion is incredibly smooth, and it has this master mode for lip sync that is absolutely flawless. Officially, it's a paid service, but there's a little backdoor we can use. To unlock it, you need to follow these 4 steps exactly. First, fire up a VPN and connect to a server in an African country. Nigeria works great. Second, go to the CArt website and register a brand new, totally unused Google account. When you do, your balance will show 0 credits. Don't panic. That's exactly what you want to see. Third, switch your VPN over to a European server, like one in the UK. And finally, just refresh the page. Video generation will now be unlocked for 0 credits. You're in. So now you've got the best free tools and a secret weapon. But having the tools is only half the battle, right? A professional workflow is what really separates the amateur stuff from those stunning 4K videos. So let's build that workflow right now. This simple 4-step process is going to get you professional results every time. Step 1, generate a really high-quality base image with a tool like Stable Diffusion XL. Step 2, use its built-in upscaler to go from Full HD to 2K, and then from 2K to a brilliant 4K. Now, that 2-stage process is absolutely crucial. It preserves all the detail and avoids those ugly artifacts you get when you try to do one massive jump in resolution. Step 3, take that gorgeous 4K image and animate it using Grok or Meta AI. And finally, step 4,
Pull all your clips together, add some music, and do your final edits in a free editor like CapCut.
Before you run off and start creating, there is one last thing. This is the golden rule. It applies to every single tool we've talked about today, and it will seriously, dramatically improve the quality of everything you make. It's this simple. Always, always, always write your prompts in English. I don't care if it's not your first language. Use a translator. This is completely non-negotiable if you want to get the best results. And the reason why is technical, but it's simple to understand. These massive AI models are overwhelmingly trained on English data from the internet. They just understand the structure, the nuance, and the vocabulary of English way, way better than any other language. So prompting in English gives the AI the clearest possible instructions to work with. We have covered a ton of ground today. The Core 4 free tools, a secret weapon to get you pro-level quality, and a complete 4K workflow. I've laid out all the tools and the entire process, and now all that power is in your hands. So the last question isn't for me, it's for you. The tools are completely free. The professional workflow is now yours to use. What story? What character? What impossible idea that was once locked away behind a paywall will you finally bring to life?